Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another banger. I'm kind of running out of energy because I had to do two of these videos in a row, but anyways, let's get right into it. Alright, so this first trade I took, I don't really know what the heck I'm doing. It was on a downward stair step, like seems to be a trend in my other video. Um, so if you watch the other one, you'll know that that downward stair steps I tried to trade did not go well. And this one I don't think goes well either, but I can't really remember to be honest with you. But anyways, here we are. Yep, took it because, it's going down. I want to go down. I want to make money. Let's go. Alright, so we're already like 0.75 in profit, which isn't terrible. And if you look on the 1 minute chart here, it does look like we're going for like a double top here. I said that in my other video, yeah, double top, no one cares. Okay, I'm not really in technical analysis. Double top mean go down or something like I don't freaking know. Anyways, so yeah, we're 0.50 in profit, just tick to 0.50. It's looking pretty good. I could get out here for some profit, but it looks like it has a lot more to go. So I would hold on to this trade personally. I'm not really sure if I win this trade or not, but like looking at it right now, I would definitely hold this trade. It looks good. It feels good. All the indexes are still going down. Well, the Nasdaq is ticking up a little bit, but it's okay. We're looking for it to come down to 4547 down there on the y-axis. Anyways, so yeah, 4547. We want it to go down. Let's go down. Okay, let's go. No, I don't think it's gonna go down. I think it's gonna go up because I'm pretty sure I remember this trade. Maybe not. I can't really remember to be honest. It was only yesterday, but like my memory is like the memory of a freaking fish or something. Anyways, yeah, it's going, it's going, it's going, it's gone, it's still going. Oh yeah, I just switched to the 15-minute chart. You couldn't really see it because it was only on the screen for like a split second. You can go back and look if you want, aka Alex. Alex is like the only kind of person I would really know who would do that. If you guys don't know Alex, my boy, the only one who watches my videos really. Maybe Hunter watches this. I don't really know, but anyways, yeah, go to 15 minutes. You saw that I had like a green line going across. That's the markers I have for like resistance levels, and we just broke right under a nice resistance level. Hopefully I'll switch back to 15 minute in a second. I don't really know if I will or not. But yeah, I have a nice little green line showing a resistance level, and we just broke below it and then came back up to it a little bit and then held against it. So what I was hoping with this trade is that we're going to hold below it and then keep going down. But I'm pretty sure, if I remember correctly, that it's not going to happen. But we will see in a second. I don't know why I'm doing that with my voice, to be honest. I really don't know. Anyways, yeah, I just posted the other video. Go watch that if you haven't because it's freaking banger. It's freaking banger. And I had way more energy than I do in this video because, like, right now I can't even think of anything to say. But in the other video, I was just going, go, go. Which is really weird because I only filmed that like a couple seconds ago. But, like, yeah, anyways, yeah. It's going down. It looks really good right now. Like, look at this. Look, you see the green line I was talking about? That's my resistance level. We broke below it, came back up to it, bounced off. It looks really good, like a really good trade. Um, but yeah, so far it does not look like it's doing anything at all. We just got a downward gap, which is a good sign. I would still be holding on to this trade. So actually, the fact that this trade went against me, which I'm pretty sure it does, is really sad because it really lined up well. But it just goes to show that you can't predict the market. The market will do whatever it wants. At the end of the day, it's a game of probabilities, and you just want to be right 51% of the time, and you can be wrong the rest. As long as you have your, there's a lot that goes into it, but like as long as you're more right than you are wrong, you're pretty good. Anyways, so yeah, it's coming up. It's not holding. It's breaking right through that level. It doesn't care. It does not care about my feelings, which is really sad because my feelings are hurt. And it's coming up. We're at 0.75 in loss. I would still be holding on to this trade personally. I don't really see a mistake here. I don't really see a reason why I would want to get out of this trade. It is going against me, yes, but like we still haven't broke the level. We're just now touching it. But price action is starting to pick up a little bit of strength. And if you look at the order flow on the right here, there's still a lot of sell orders. So I really don't know why it's doing what it does. But the market do be doing things, and stuff. So anyways, yeah, it just bounced off really hard. Look at that. Look at that ginormous like 5 tick little bounce off of it. So it's looking good. I'm feeling good. It's looking good. Everything is looking a-okay. But as you will see, maybe it does go with me. I don't remember this trade at all. But like this trade looks really good. I don't know why this trade I would get out of this trade at the moment. Like, it looks like a good trade, it feels like a good trade, everything looks good, but I'm pretty sure I lose this or something. I really can't remember for some reason. I'm pretty sure yesterday might have been another range day. I can't really remember. But yeah, we're pointing profit. Um, it's coming down. It bounced off of 51 kind of ish. Didn't really. Yeah, it actually no, it did touch like 51.25, and it bounced off where it did before. If you look to the left just a couple inches, well, we're like an inch and a half. Well, it depends. If you're watching on the phone, anyway, it doesn't really matter. It bounced off, and now it's just kind of like doing some zigzagging, some ziggy zagging. and it's I'm still in profit like by 0.75, which is like nothing, but like profit is profit. Did I just? Oh, what happened there? Okay, I think I just got out because it wasn't really going the way I wanted, which is good. Wow, actually, wow, that was really good. So that was like a very small winner, but a winner's a winner. And I got out right where it turned around. See that's intuitive knowledge right there. That is the intuitive knowledge of the market. I knew it was about to turn around. I wasn't really paying attention to this is on 4 times speed, but I'm pretty sure if I went back and watched it, I could figure out why I got out there. But um, yeah, I got out for whatever reason that I did. Now we jumped into another trade, and it turned around like I predicted it would, because I guess price action was just not going the way I wanted, and you saw it did start to bounce back and forth, and that usually means that it's not going to do what you want it to do, or it's just going to range out, which I think it does here in a second. But yeah, I got into this other trade. It came back up again. It's not going the way I want it to go. I don't know why I entered it. Here's the thing though. I got out there knowing that it was about to go up, and then it comes back to the same level in a sell, and I bought back or I sold again. And don't even start asking me questions about buying and selling again, Alex. We already went through this. Anyways, so yeah, it came back right to where I exited pretty much, where it bounced up before, and I decided to sell there for whatever reason I did. I couldn't tell you why because I saw it bounce to the left. I just wasn't thinking here, I guess, because it bounced before and it could definitely bounce again, which it did as soon as I entered. But it's okay because it came back down to my entry and it came a little bit in profit even, and I could have taken that profit and been done when I saw that it wasn't going to continue that way because like it came back up and then even came back down and let me get I could have gotten a little bit more profit, but I didn't. I decided to hold loser like I did in the video I just uploaded where I hold my losers way too freaking long and I will not learn for some freaking reason. Anyways, so yeah, I held this loser for whatever reason that I did, even though I shouldn't have even entered this trade in the first place because I knew that it was probably going to do this again, but I entered it. And so here we are, it's bouncing up and down, it's doing the jiggy, it's getting jiggy with it. Oh god, that was cringe, I'm gonna have to cut that out. Anyways, so yeah, it's doing its thing, and it's coming up a little bit. It's still holding below my entry, and it did make a lower low and a little bit of a lower wick than the last wick of the other candle. So it doesn't look like a terrible trade for me. It actually looks like we might do something pretty good here. But I really wish I would switch to the 1 minute chart and look at this because I'm sure I could see something on the 1 minute chart right now. But right now we're looking at the 3000 tick chart, which is good for price action, but I would like to see the 1 minute chart right about now. I don't know why I'm just sitting here not switching. Okay, there we go, 1 minute chart. Yeah, on the 1 minute chart, we just got down to this level where it's bounced a bunch of times, so I would be looking to get out right here if it doesn't break through very fast or well. But it broke through pretty good. It's breaking through pretty good here, actually. I should probably just wait for it to come down a little bit more. A little bit more. Come down a little bit more. Let's come down a little bit more. What is it doing? Alright, it's coming back up. Oh, it's shooting up. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh my goodness. Man, I wish I'd gotten out of that trade, huh? Though I will say this is the kind of move that's really hard to predict because like it just shoots up all of a sudden. Is this the open? Is that what this is? No, it's not the open. No, no, that's not the open. Okay, yeah. It just whipped up for whatever reason, the invisible hand of the market doing its thing, having a slap fight. But anyways, it's probably going to come back down a little bit more after that move, which I think it already did. Yeah, it came back down a little bit more. I could have gotten out at any second here after I saw it started going up. But no, I decided to hold on to the loser. Though I will say, um, it still looks pretty decent of a trade. Like on the, what am I looking at right here? The 60-minute chart, it does look like we're still trying to go down eventually. But as you will see later, I believe that is not what happens. Not a spoiler alert, I guess, but yeah. It looked pretty good still, but like right about now, I would be trying to get out no matter what. Because it just is not going the way I want it, and you just saw it got a really strong move up just then. I think it just went like a point up in a second. Like it's really starting to pick up move. But on the 1 minute chart, it doesn't look too bad. On the 1 minute chart, it's coming back down a little bit, and it might even come back past my entry if I remember. And I should get out then because I know that it's not doing what I wanted. When I entered this trade, what I was looking for is it just to soar down to that 48 level. If you look right here, that 48 level where it came down before it went up a little bit into this range. That's where I was looking for it to come down to. And when it didn't do that, I should have known that it didn't go the way I wanted. Wasn't going the way I was trying to get it to go, or I was looking for it to go. So I should just get out. But no, we're still holding on to it, which isn't like looking too terrible right now because it came back down into profit and it's starting to go down again. So I can't really blame myself too hard here because this does look like a pretty decent trade. I would take this again and probably do the exact same thing, honestly. Or I would have gotten out when it whipped up because it was a very strong whip up. But either way, we were still in it, and then I'm pretty sure I just took the profit on that. Yeah, I did. I got 2 points of profit. So pretty good, not terrible at all. And now I'm thinking to myself, yeah, I'm pretty glad I got out there because it is about to do something else, but we're already in another trade. Okay, wait a second. I remember this now. Why did I do that? Okay, so basically it whipped up, it came down. I got out of the trade when it came back down to where to 50 or yeah, the 50 where it bounced at, and then I sold again. Why did I do that? I sold another contract exactly where I exited the trade, so I could have just held the trade to start with. That's another mistake that I do often. I'll get out of a trade because I've been in it too long and I'm getting too antsy, and then I'll immediately get back in the trade exactly where it was. So basically, I'm just running up commission for no reason. Don't do that. It's overtrading. Don't do that. Don't be like me. Don't be an idiot. Don't overtrade. Hold on to the trade. Go with your trade plan, and never. I need to stop doing this. I keep telling myself this, but it's hard to break my habit for some reason. I don't know why. I'm just stupid. I keep over trading. I keep going right back in where I started. Anyways, yeah. I've started a new rule for myself. After I get on a move, like if I get on this downward move that we just had, and then I get out of it, I don't get back on in on that same move. I wait till something happens. It reverses and then comes back or whatever. I don't get in on the same move twice. But anyways, yeah, it's ticking up. We got this crazy upward candle coming in. It's going all over the place. It's about to shoot up. It's gonna take me out. Um, Personally, I don't know if I would still be in this trade. I'm pretty sure when that green candle came, the today me, not the 2 day ago, or no, not the yesterday me, the today me would have gotten out of this trade at the green candle, hopefully. But yesterday me was not having it. We were holding it. We hold these losers, stone cold traders out here. But yeah, no, I think it's gonna come back to my entry once again. Another chance for me to get out. It's now been past my entry twice, coming up on a third time possibly, and I'm still in the trade. Still in it. Still in this trade, even though it's not doing what I wanted to do, which was once again fall back down to that 40 whatever level that I was looking for to start with. Let's see, like 45-ish level that I was looking for it to come down to start with my first trade. I'm still holding on to the trade. I have another chance to get out of it. Oh wait, no, I just took a point loss on that other. Okay, now we're on the second trade. Why do I edit it like this? I don't know, guys. It's even confusing me. I don't know how you guys can watch this, but anyways, yeah. I took a loss of 1 point on that trade. It looks like, and then, or no, I gained 1 point. I don't know. Anyways, we're on to this trade now. That's what matters. It looks like on this trade, I'm taking another sell position. Who would have guessed it? Man, I freaking love these sell positions, but we're in the range yet again, and it's just doing whatever it wants. It's refusing to fall to this level that I'm looking for it to fall to. I should have realized by now that it's not going where I want it to go. But I will say that yesterday I had to go to work, like the corporate slave that I am, and I was just trying to get some trades out before I had to go, and I think I was running short on time, so I was just really trying to get something here before I had to go, which is a big mistake. Don't rush your trades. On days like that, you should really probably just stay out the market if you can't find anything. But yeah, so I wanted to take one last trade before I go here. I don't know why. It does kind of look like it's going to go down here, but personally, I wouldn't take this trade because I hate it when it goes flat like that. That is just like not my kind of trade. It's not a good trade for anyone, I don't think. It goes flat and it usually just either does nothing or it'll go the complete opposite direction you think, because there's really no, when it goes flat like that, there's really no way of telling which way it's going to go very easily. But yeah, and then I just got out right there for whatever that was. I think that was a 0.25 loss. So it was a winning day, but I overtraded and I ran up commissions, and probably I think I got like $3 or something stupid like that after commissions, like some insignificant amount. I'm pretty sure it was $3 I got after commissions. So it just wasn't even worth my time or the stress. But I guess profit is profit, and I did gain experience. So always trade for experience, even if you're just paper trading. That's experience. Do it if you can. Like and subscribe. Okay, goodbye.